Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Acro Avata 2. This fantastic feature on the DJI Avata 2, when paired with the RC Motion 3, makes advanced FPV tricks accessible to everyone. You can perform impressive aerial maneuvers like flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts with just a few simple inputs. It's designed to give you that thrilling acrobatic experience without the steep learning curve of full manual flight. To begin your acrobatic journey, first ensure your DJI Avata 2 is properly linked with the DJI RC Motion 3. Once powered on, simply pull down the 5D button on your motion controller to open the shortcut menu within your FPV goggles. From there, navigate and select Easy Acro to activate this exciting mode. Keep in mind, this feature is exclusively available when flying in normal mode, not sport or manual. With Easy Acro activated, you can now perform incredible stunts. Use the scroll dial on your motion controller to cycle through available actions such as flip, 180-degree drift, or slide. A quick tap of the joystick will execute your selected maneuver. For instance, to perform a 180-degree drift, hold the accelerator and tap the joystick left or right. Remember to keep the trigger held in throughout the drift for a smooth, continuous movement. For a safe and enjoyable experience, always perform Easy Acro actions in an open environment, free from obstacles. It's crucial to note that you cannot activate Easy Acro while the drone is already recording video. Instead, enable Easy Acro first and then begin your video recording. Also, remember that in this mode, you cannot adjust flight speed, radius, or distance, so plan your maneuvers accordingly for the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.